Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. So far, so good. I know we are meeting after a long time, but yes, I was actually preparing myself for the new content. It can helpful when it comes to online learning. Are we ready for it? Okay, so today we are going to talk about one course which is quite very famous, and of course we all want to develop that skill when it comes to face the people and crowd. Are you able to guess what are we going to talk about? Alright, so today we will talk about how can we enroll ourselves in public speaking course when it comes to enroll in the Coursera application. Now here I have encountered that many students struggle to sign up and to register themselves to avail the course. So today we will understand all the process step by step to get the enrollment done. But before that, let me just share one disclaimer.
That certificate is not a big deal. You have to realize that certificate is nothing when you do not understand the terms and the content. So
please don't run after a certificate if you pursue this course, because I'm going to share the options where you will be able to complete most of the activities, and of course you will develop a few more skills as well. But keep one thing in your mind, that you want to be able to get the certificate on your name. So that is why I have already mentioned, so let's not run after the certificate, let's develop that skills which would be visible in front of public. So let's move ahead. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. If you really understand after watching the video everything, please don't forget to subscribe this video, and of course you can share the video also, and don't forget to hit the bell icon where you will find many informations about it. So let's jump to directly tutorial to get the clear understanding about it.
So Maro, dear friends,
open the Google Play and search the application name Coursera. We will find it for 19 MB and it will not take so much time to get downloaded. Click on open and we'll wait for a few seconds, and here we will select continue with Google. It might be possible that you may be holding many Gmail accounts. Here you have to select one where you want to enroll your name with the Gmail. Let's wait for a few seconds. And here we have finally
reached. But the journey is not over yet. We'll click on explore and we'll search our course name. And here the name is Introduction to Public Speaking. We will select the first option with 4.8 ratings, and here we can start exploring the course. You will find all the details about it which will empower you to make the decision while selecting this course. I would like to request you to explore the sections where you can know that what skills you can gain with this course. Also, please don't forget to explore the syllabus, which will help you to identify what content can be covered by you. Here you can see structure of each week's, and you can check the ratings as well. Here you will find the instructor who will help you throughout this course. Now here let's understand the most important part of this course. Here just below to subscribe option, you can find we have an option for auditing the course. The moment you will click, it will take you directly to the station where you can find everything. And you can start your journey with the first video. It's very easy to follow. Let's suppose you left the video in between. You can resume the video and can start watching it again. Let's explore this option. Here you can make the video faster by clicking on the speed option. It completely depends on your comprehension skill. Moreover, you can make it slow if the speaker is faster for you. You can increase the video by 10 seconds and you can also take back the step. Once you will be done with the video, it will show blue color. Here is the review. Almost we are about to finish the course. There will be few activities which you will have to skip. And the moment you will skip, it will show you and take you to the next video and activity. Gradually you can explore all the weeks. And week 5 will be all about your final review, where you may identify a few missing things that will help you in form of revision. You can set the timer as well for each day, which will help you to accomplish this goal. For example, you can see, based on my schedules, I have decided that on Monday I can spend time at 8 o'clock and so on. Here, your all the assignments can take place here, whatever it is you will get. And it's a kind of summary which will help you and assist you to summarize whatever you have learned. And with the help of community, you can communicate your peers and can invite people to review your writing assignment. Here we have resources which will provide you a quick summary.
After watching this video, you will be able to understand the benefits of public speaking skills for your personal growth. Moreover, you will be introduced to the course Introduction to Public Speaking. So this is how we understood how can we enroll ourselves. A few more information I would like to pass here. Number 1, there will be overall 4 modules to complete the course. 5 modules will be about overview and kind of assessment, which will allow you to complete the course and to get the certificate on your day. You can practice those exercises, but you will not be able to turn in or submit that activity into their account. So we can just normally practice. By most of the modules, at the end you will get a few quizzes to clear, Again, there you can attempt the quiz, but when it comes to Turnitin, you won't be able to do it. And you may get pop-up that you have to subscribe or have to make payment to get that activity done. So let's avoid such pop-up. You can switch to directly next activity and continue with the different days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.